I always thought about Paris, France. I really don't like Adolf Hitler.
Yeah, me neither.
And I disapprove of what he did. I would love to be in probably Nazi-occupied Paris, France. Again, hear me out on this one, because I think I would have made a very good soldier, probably. I would imagine. I think I would have. I often think I did good in high school sports. I think I would have been one of Hitler's top soldiers.
Yeah, my ancestors were in Auschwitz.
Well, see, I probably would have protected him somehow. I probably would have went back and protected him. My point is that I would have been probably some sort of elite shock troop, you know, probably some sort of special forces, Hitler special forces, right? Like, okay, here's the thing. No matter how much you disapprove of the guy, no matter how much you dislike him, which I do, you look, notorious figures throughout history, Dracula, right? Count Chocula. You got all the bad guys in history. You got the whole lineup. Frankenstein. What if Frankenstein was looking at you saying that, hey, you are my go-to guy. You're my guy that I go to when I need a problem solved. What if Hitler was saying that to you? Can you imagine that for a second? What if Adolf Hitler said that you're such a physical beast, dude? You're such a physical, nasty beast, dude. You're such a nasty physical beast right now, bro, that I'm basically gonna make you in charge of a platoon of panzers, okay? You're basically so hulked up and shredded that I have no choice but to make you a legend in Nazi Germany. I would say to myself, man, this Hitler guy is up to no good. I hate this. I can't take any more of this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? I'm Hitler's top guy. What am I gonna do? Adolf Hitler chose me to lead the revolution. I absolutely dominate the people at my office. I dominate them. With my physical presence, with my smell, my pheromones, the way I talk, my eye contact, my hand motions, my body language, I dominate. Daily, on a daily basis. Even the women, I dominate them. I dominate the women in my workplace, okay? If Alexander the Great tells you you're his top guy, you're his top guy. You're now in a position where you have no choice but to go, oh, I'm Alexander the Great's top guy, dude. Oh, Adolf Hitler needs me? Okay, I'll do it. I'm going to bat for you, Hitler. I got your back, Hitler. Okay? That's my point. That's my point. And I say that with the most respect for your ancestors and for what happened, and the most disdain for Hitler and what he did.
I'm finding this very upsetting.